Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, where you can find everything about nail art, makeup, crocheting and DIY. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. The newest trend in the nail art market is the cow print nail art that was spotted on Ariana Grande and Kendal. So you basically need two polishes, black polish and white polish, and a brush and a top coat. That's it, and it's very easy to create. So I'm going to apply a white base coat on 3 nails and black coat on 2 nails. So you can basically go white on all the nails, just my preference of black and white here. Now I'm going to apply a second layer of the same colors on all my nails. So get going. I have dipped this brush in the black polish and I'm going to create uneven patches. So the best thing about this nail art is that imperfections create perfect nail art. So I'm going to create uneven patches here. Leave some gap in between. If you don't want the patches to be too close, you can just create them far away, and I'm going to fill those gaps with some tiny patches also, like this. So I'm going to basically create the same nail art on all my nails, and when it's the turn for the black base, I'm going to use the white patches on that nail. So that's it. So it's very easy to create this nail art, and it's the latest trend. So do create this and tag me at #shimmers&polishes, and go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel guys, and watch my other nail art tutorials. I have created basically very easy nail art for you guys. Once you're done, seal in your nail art with a good clear top coat and you're done. So watch my makeup tutorial if you're interested in makeup, and voila, this is a beautiful, super trendy nail art, cow print nail art for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And also I have created Shimmers and Polishes Facebook group, so don't forget to join that. And guys, subscribe. I need subscribers. I need y'all. Please comment and let me know if you like it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye.